It is wrong to say that Islam is religion. If Christianity is religion, Hinduism is, and Buddhism is religion, Islam is not religion. Islam is deen. Islam is ad-deen, the way of life. Islam is ad-deen, the way of life. And the concept of Islam is absolutely different from what you will find in Christianity or Hinduism or Buddhism. There, of course, you will find the emphasis on dogma. There you will find emphasis on rituals. Here you won't find it. Go to the Quran and ask, what is deen? There can be no greater authority than God Himself. Go to the Quran and ask, what does the Quran say? The Quran says, فِطْرَةَ اللَّهِ الَّتِي فَطَرَ النَّاسَ عَلَيْهَا لَا تَبْدِيلَ لِخَلْقِ اللَّهِ ذَلِكَ الدِّينُ الْقَيِّمُ وَلَكِنَّ أَكْثَرَ النَّاسِ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ. To live your life according to the nature on which God has made you and the nature around you, to live your life in conformity with that, that is the right religion, that is the right deen. But most human beings do not understand this. They think that it consists in rituals, in this thing and that thing and in all those dogmas and so on. The Quran says no. To live life according to nature. The nature on which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has constituted man. فِطْرَةَ اللَّهِ الَّذِي فَطَرَ النَّاسَ عَلَيْهَا فِطْرَةَ اللَّهِ الَّتِي فَطَرَ النَّاسَ عَلَيْهَا. That nature on which God has made man. This is to live in conformity with that nature is deen. Deenul Qayyim. So, therefore, you should not be amazed if you hear that the Holy Prophet ﷺ gave this importance to pursuit of knowledge, which he did not give to optional devotional worship. Or when he said, the ink of the scholar is holier than the blood of the martyr. No founder of religion could ever have said these words, because the place of the martyr in religion is very high. Ask any Christian or any Jew, he'll say, what? Your Prophet has said just. He has spoken the truth. And he commanded his followers, Al-hikmatu dallatul mu'min. Every piece of wisdom, every piece of knowledge, its rightful owner is only the Muslim, is only the mu'min. Whether it is in the hands of a Jew or a Christian or an atheist or anybody, it by right belongs to a mu'min, and he should get hold of it wherever he finds it. Today we are living in a shell. We have tried to live in a shell.